Demystifying the phrase, check out. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a phrase you might have come across quite often, check out. Let's explore its various meanings and how to use it in different contexts. When you're done shopping and you're ready to pay for your items, you head to the checkout counter. It's the place where transactions are made. Example, I have all the items I need. Let's check out and leave. When you're staying at a hotel and it's time to leave, you need to check out of your room. This means you're informing the hotel that you're leaving, and you'll settle any remaining costs. Example, our vacation was great. We need to check out of the hotel by 11 a.m. tomorrow. Check out can also mean to take a look or examine something. It's a casual way to ask someone to see or consider something. Example, check out this new book I bought. It's fantastic. Or, did you check out the sunset? It's so beautiful tonight. In very informal and sometimes slang usage, check out can mean to depart, leave, or even to pass away. Example, he checked out early from the party. It wasn't his scene. Or, it's sad to hear that the old musician has checked out. The phrase, check out, is versatile and can fit into various contexts, from shopping to expressing a notion of looking at something. We hope this video has made its meanings clearer to you. Remember, language is all about context, and the more you practice, the better you'll get at understanding these nuances. Happy learning!